Boom. For 100, come on. 501. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. There we go. It has been caught. Okay, I had enough. It's gonna sound good though. It's gonna sound good. So. What year is this car? What is it? 2022.
Yeah.
Sonata. How'd you go on it to like the
all the way, the first notch. You don't let it sit.
This one?
Yeah. Wait, what do you mean?
I thought it was both of them. That's
yeah,
why I feel.
no.
Yeah. Of course.
That's why.
Do you have any rubber grommets in there?
Yeah, now this whole fucking thing should come up. This joint. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to have enough movement to take it up. Maybe. I don't know if there's enough fucking.
This X-Force exhaust, 4 gaskets, all right? One big, one small, and 2 are similar. The 2 similar ones go in the back on the muffler. The small one goes in the front. And the big one goes in the back before the mufflers. Yeah, that's nice. 2 to 3 inches.
Yep.
I like this, man.
This is a drone reduction.
Yeah, that's nice.
Some nice welds.
That is nice though. They did a good job with that.
Yeah.
That pipe is huge, dude. Oh yeah, that looks good.
That's it.
We're gonna tap into here. Gonna get switched power so we can operate the valves for the exhaust.
Alright, so this is the first one here. This one, black and green. So that's it right there. I gotta fucking fry my car though. Should be fine, right? This far away?
You just heat it up, right? Yeah. Alright, so those lights are on. This is not on, right? So it's gotta be that ground.
I think so. Might not be. Who knows? Could be the power still.
Hey, green light's on.
Yeah,
Green
it's the
light's
ground.
off.
It's the ground.
Right.
Yeah, the ground's not clean.
So
Okay. Good. All right, that's fine. One step closer.
isn't that something, yo? The little fucking paint that'll get you.
I know, but now at least the connection's good. I'll tape it, and then
What's the red light for? Green light tells you it's got power. Red light's telling you what? When it's operational, you think?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Probably when you're switching to opening and closing the valves like that.
It shouldn't be coming out. Oh, now it's off, right?
Yeah, no, light's on, but this light's off, yeah.
This light's on too. Yeah.
Yeah, totally,
Ground.
man.
Okay. Cool. So
That's easy, man, right through that garment like that.
nice. That's pretty good.
So the only thing I don't like is that
Yeah, that's what I'm doing here.
tip 2, man. 4 inches probably. Do it again.
Closed. Open.
Uh-huh.
Closed.
Yep.